If you want to extract 7-zip files on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your App Store and let's install our iZip application. So install it, let's press open. Great. Now let's open up our My Files and let's locate our 7-zip file. There it is. Let's hold our finger on it and let's press share. Choose your iZip option. Press OK that yes, we want to unzip all of the files. And now we can see the contents of them. Give a full access because this application needs it. And here is the contents of our file. We can also press save. So you can choose everything. We can press save. And they've been saved to our photo album. Or if there will be a music, right? So as you see there in photos. So if there will be a music or any other file, it will be just saved to your My Files. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.